guys, so today I wanted to share with you a really easy plant-based protein ball that you can make for a quick, fast, easy snack. It just requires 5 ingredients. So the great thing about this recipe is it's so versatile. You could even do like a vegan chocolate chip, whatever you like. So you're going to be using your 1 cup of nut butter. And then you're going to add syrup. Half a cup of the protein powder. We don't want to add the full amount straight away just because it can get quite tough. Half a cup of oats. And then we're going to put in the coconut, the rest of the protein powder. Add a tiny, tiny sprinkle of the soy milk in there just to help with the consistency. Just keep mixing. Okay, get that consistency happening. Smells amazing, by the way. All right, time to use the hands. Make it all nice and smooth. And then just roll into a nice ball. Dip it in some desiccated coconut. There's your protein ball. Quick and easy.